Hello, my name is Bernard Schneider. I'm Senior Lecturer or Associate Professor in International Tax Law at CCLS, and I'm the Director of the tax programs, the LLM in Tax Law and the LLM in International Tax Law. Historically, the focus of most tax academics and policymakers has been corporate taxation. However, the taxation of individuals is at least as important. From a revenue perspective, the taxation of individuals, especially if taken broadly to include things like Social Security contributions, is very important in developed countries, typically much more important than corporate taxation. And it's increasingly important for developing countries as well. The taxation of individuals also raises a range of issues, for example, around privacy and the imbalance in power between the individual and the state, that are vital for broader issues of politics and governance, and that don't arise in the context of corporate taxation, or that arise in a very different way in the corporate tax context. There's a wide range of approaches around the world to the taxation of individuals, including on basic questions of the tax unit, the tax base, and the determination of residence. The module looks at all these areas, as well as things like privacy, administration and compliance, and the coercive power of the state. We also look at the impact of tax treaties and of recent developments in international taxation, and discuss how they are likely to affect individuals. The module is assessed by essay, which gives you the opportunity to research and write about anything related to the taxation of individuals. It assumes no prior knowledge of taxation, and historically many of the students on the module have been on other programs at CCLS, not tax. Since there is no exam to teach to, we're free to decide, based on your interests, what will be discussed in class. And the classes themselves are more seminar-like than lecture-like in format, with wide-ranging discussion driven by student interests and experiences. I look forward to welcoming you to Taxation of Individuals. Thank you.